spilled the syrup on my plate.
She spilled it on the plate?
Mm-hmm.
Why?
It was an accident.
I see me again. Some of my birthday cake.
Yeah, that's right. The first birthday cake.
I know what kind it was.
What kind? I think your first birthday cake was Teletubbies. What's Teletubbies?
Yeah.
Your
so
third
remember
birthday cake was
that. What?
Your third birthday cake was Dora.
What birthday was my last birthday?
Dora.
Dora or Hello Kitty?
Dora.
Dora is the last one.
Mm-hmm.
Not the last one.
Who's in those pictures?
My cousin.
I see one of you.
Where? There's me.
I see a bunch of them of you.
Oh, there I see pictures of Miriam. I see pictures of my cousins too.
Yeah.
Oh, there's me again. Why am I wearing a red hat? The O.
Uh-oh.
Who's that?
Who is that?
Oh. Oh. Is this your oat?
M-I-T.
Oh.
I'm getting the once over here.
That's her other best friend, Cameron.
I remember her talking about Cameron.
Yeah. This is Jenna's class. So now she's handing out napkins. And now she just... Jenna at the beach.
She smiles. She smiles a lot. She'll talk to you too.
She does. Is she going to have black hair when she grows up? Or yellow hair?
I don't know. Probably dark brown.
Like mine.
Yeah.
Hi. Hi. That's so cute. Where's Jenna?
Jenna...
She likes her feet.
Yeah.
Is she okay?
I think so.
Hi.
She wants to play with your hair.
Hmm?
She wants to play with your hair, yeah.
Is she ticklish?
A little bit.
Probably not. Hi.
This little piggy went to market. This little piggy stayed home. This little piggy had roast beef. This little piggy had none. And this little piggy cried, wee, 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 all the way home.
That didn't work, Grandpa.
Ee, 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 ee.